Question 21, and it's problem 3.5.37. And in this problem, we are just determining some percentiles of this data set here. So I've copied the data over into Excel using the function here, and you'll see that the figures, of course, are not in ascending order, which is helpful for this type of problem. We need to reorder the numbers from lowest to highest in order to determine the percentiles. So in order to do that really quick in Excel, let's just choose the range of figures there, and we go to the sort and filter menu here, and then we just simply choose sort smallest to largest. So that's a quick and easy way to take care of that that we need to have after we calculate the integers that we are going to do next. So in order to determine the 15th percentile, we just use the formula that the integer that we need to calculate is found by taking the percentile divided by 100 and multiplying that times the number of observations. So we have obviously 9 observations here. So in order to find part A, the 15th percentile, we could just build a quick formula here, or this might not be one that would be too difficult to just use a calculator, but we're in Excel. That's what we want to use primarily. So we'll just take the percentile, which is 15, and I'm going to divide that by 100. And notice that I have grouped this using parentheses to make sure that that operation is done first. And then we just multiply that using the star symbol above the 8, multiply it times the number of observations, which is 9. Okay, so the value that we get is 1.35, and we need to round that up to the next integer, which would obviously be 2. So that represents the second observation of the data set, which in this case is 12. So the 15th percentile value is in the data set is the number 12. Okay, we can do the same thing just by manipulating our existing formula, if we don't want to have to create separate formulas in different cells. If this isn't something we're really going to be saving, we can just simply adjust one of the figures here. This is going to be the 35th percentile, so just change the 15 to 35. And we come up with 3.15, rounded up to 4, so the 4th observation is 24. Okay, so the 35th percentile in this data set is 24. And then the last one, we're looking for the 65th percentile, so we can just change that 35 to 65. And we get 5.85 rounded up to the next integer, which is 6. And the 6th observation is 30. So that is our answer for the 65th percentile.